Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today I'm coming at you with a new video. We are going to be starting this cute little binder by Norelli's Budgets to save $300 to go towards our month ahead savings, which is something I've never done before. So thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. All right, so we're going to start by rolling a die and seeing which page we are doing. There are 6 pages, so I'm rolling a D6. I have $107 here that I saved throughout this past month when I got like random money back from something, or I sometimes just put $5 in my month ahead envelope, and here we are with $107. So it's kind of cool how it adds up. So starting off with page 5, let's see how many stars we're doing. 6 stars. Okay, so actually let's do it as we're like saving $6. So let's do 3 and 6. I don't know why I did that one down there. Okay, so $6 there. All right, next page is page 6. All right, let's see which one we're scratching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, $2. Cute, cute, cute. So this is a book that I bought originally for my 1,000 giveaway, and I spilled water on it. So if you're seeing this, this is not Nori's fault. That's my fault because I'm a dummy and I spilled my water. So now I'm using it. I get to use it instead of giving it away because I didn't want to give it away if it was damaged. But all right, so page 3 is butterfly savings. Each butterfly is $2, and the scratch off is, I don't know how much. Let's do odd for butterflies, even for scratch off. Okay, odd. So we're doing the butterflies. Let's see how many butterflies we're doing. 5. Holy moly. Okay, 5. 1, 2. I need to use a black one, I think. That is not showing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so $2 each is $10. Next page. Page number 4. I think that was 3, so this is 4, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so this one we already saved $5 in here. So let's see which one we're scratching off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $2. Okay. I saved $5 in here like so long ago. I don't even remember what I was doing, but anyways, here we are. Page number 2 is flower power. Each flower is 5. All right, so odd for flowers, even for scratch offs. Even. Okay, which scratch off are we doing? 1, 2, 3. $6. Okay. This book is so cute. I love it. It has its own envelopes that, like, she made each page into an envelope, which is so handy. Next page, page number 6. Okay, how much are we which one are we scratching? 1. Okay. $3. All right, I'm gonna put this back and grab a 5. Next page, number 3. 1, 2, 3. Butterfly savings. All right, odd for butterflies, even for scratch offs. Even. Okay, which scratch off? Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, $6. 5 and 6. All right, next page. Page number 4. Yep, this one. All right, let's see where we're going next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, $1. So this book saves a total of $300 total. I'm not quite sure how it's divided up amongst the pages, so it'll be fun to see. All right, page 6. which one are we scratching? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $2. Okay. This is so cute and so fun. I love it. All right, next page is page number 3. 1, 2, 3. Butterfly savings. Odd for butterfly, even for scratch off. Odd. Okay, well, we only have one butterfly left. So we'll go ahead and grab this guy. 1 and 2. Next page is page number 5. Okay, let's see how much we're saving for page number 5. $3. All right. 1, 2, 3. All right, next page that we're doing is page number 6. Let's see where we're going. 1 and 2. All right, $1. Next page that we're doing is page number 6 again. 1, $2. All right, I'm gonna put 8 back and grab a 10. That's the last 10 out there, or the only 10 that I think we had. All right, butterflies is page 3. Yep. All right, so let's see which one we're scratching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, $1. Next page that we're doing is page number 5. Let's see what we're saving. $3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Next page that we're doing is page number 6. And we're gonna go 1 over, scratch this one for $3. 1, 2, and 3. Next page is page number 2. Okay, flower power, odd for flowers, even for scratch offs. Even, okay. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $2. I am loving this, by the way. I hope you guys are enjoying watching. So once we finish this book, like I said, all of this money is gonna go towards my month ahead savings. So I need to, I'm planning on making a binder for myself. And so I'm going to be working on that, but I'm going to wait until this is completely completed. Completely completed. There you go. Just because I think that'll be easier for me, like mentally, like to be motivated to do it and to feel like I'm making progress, and also so that I don't have to do another video every single week. This will be like a monthly video that I do. All right. So $5. Next page is page number 5. And I already feel like we're making great progress in this book. I mean, we do have 107 of the 300 that we need. So, you know, but it's exciting to see. So I'm going to put this back and grab a 5. Next page that we're doing is page number 1. Oh, we haven't done this one yet. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That's $4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, next page that we're doing is page number 4. All right. We're going 1, 2, 3, and 4. For $3. 1, 2, actually let me grab these 2 back and we'll put a 5 in. There we go. Next page that we're doing is page number 2. Flower power. Oh my gosh. All right. Odd for flowers, even for scratch offs. Odd. How many flowers are we doing? 5 flowers. Each flower is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we had 5 5s. Perfect. All right, page number 4, 2, 3, and 4. All right, I think we ended here. 1, 2, 3, 4. $5. Let's see if we have it. If not, I'll probably steal $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do. 2, 3, 4. We have $5 left. Let's just risk it, I guess. Risk it for a biscuit. All right, so page number 6. Where are we going next? 1, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we just have $1 left. So I think I'm just gonna roll this over to next time. All right, so in the first challenge here, we got $1, 2, 3, $4. So we'll put that in there. That was so fun and so exciting. All right, I'm so glad that I decided to do this and that Nori created this. This is so cute. Oh yeah, we got a lot in this one. All right, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 33. Okay, so we're almost, like halfway done with that page. That's awesome. Okay, for butterfly savings, we got 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All right, then for stay positive, we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But we had a 5 in here already, so 16. All right, then for this one, shine. We got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And for this last page, we got 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay. And then we have $1 to roll over for next month. We will do this again at the end of July. I will save throughout the month, like I did this past month, random amounts as I can for this binder. And we will do this again at the end of next month. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.